For parents, ensuring the air quality in a baby's nursery is paramount. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor for babies is designed to provide peace of mind by monitoring CO2 levels and other air quality factors, ensuring your baby's sleeping environment is as safe and healthy as possible. Focused on baby's breathing comfort. The monitor's primary function is to keep a close eye on CO2 levels, which can significantly impact a baby's sleep quality. By maintaining optimal CO2 levels, the device helps create an environment conducive to deeper, more restful naps for your little one. Real-time alerts for immediate attention. With Wi-Fi connectivity, the monitor sends instant alerts to your smartphone when it detects elevated CO2 levels or other air quality issues. This immediate notification system ensures you can take quick action to adjust the environment and maintain a safe space for your baby. Seamless integration for smart nurseries. Designed to integrate with smart home systems, the monitor can automatically control air purifiers and ventilation systems based on air quality readings. This smart integration helps maintain a consistently healthy environment in the nursery without constant manual adjustments. User-friendly app for convenient monitoring. The companion app offers a simple and intuitive way to monitor air quality, set alerts, and control connected devices. It provides real-time updates and historical data, giving you the tools you need to manage your baby's environment effectively. Effortless setup and maintenance. Setting up the Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is straightforward, with quick Wi-Fi connection and easy integration with existing smart home devices. The app guides you through any maintenance, ensuring the device operates smoothly and efficiently. Creating a healthy haven for baby by monitoring and managing CO2 levels and overall air quality. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor for babies helps create a healthier, more comfortable nursery environment. It's a smart step towards ensuring your baby's safety and well-being, making every nap time a worry-free experience. For more information on how this Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor can benefit your baby's nursery, please don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll be sure to respond within 24 hours with all the details you need. Let's make every nap time a safe and restful one.